Are you more into surfing and social channels? Or love watching videos and use high data on work? If yes, then Lyca Mobile has the best data plans for you with great value. Log on to Lyca Mobile website www.lycamobile.co.uk for all the exclusive data plan bundles. Check Lyca Mobile's exclusive high data plans in the national category in the plans drop-down menu. You can view Lyca Mobile's great value data plans like 6 GB at £1 to 60 GB at £15 for 30 days, to unlimited data at £35 for 30 days. So, why think? Just go for Lyca Mobile's Daily Saver Plus plan bundle with 60 GB data at just £15 for 30 days with unlimited UK mins and texts, 100 international mins and EU roaming benefits, or the SIM plan of your choice. Choose the opted data bundle plan and go to Buy Now to go to your cart page. Your cart page will display the bundle plan opted with auto renewal and top-up options. An option to buy more than one Lyca SIM. To the right of the cart page is your cart containing product details such as SIM quantity and cost, bundle plan details and cost, delivery charges, and total amount. Tick the required checkboxes and click on the Proceed option. Fill in your shipping and billing address details to proceed your cart for payment. Enter your credit or debit details or opt for PayPal, and apply the coupon code, if any, to process the payment. Click on Proceed to confirm and place your order. You will receive your Lyca SIM at your registered postcode with activation details on mail. Get going with your Lyca Mobile data plans once your Lyca SIM is activated. Thank you.